Hello, welcome to Sumo Biology. This is the question from your NEET 2022 question paper. Question says, read the following statement about the vascular bundles. In root, xylem and phloem in a vascular bundle are arranged in an alternate manner along the different radii. So in roots you will find arrangement of vascular bundle like this. These are the patches of phloem, then there are patches of xylem, then phloem, then again xylem. So this type of arrangement is known as radial type of arrangement. When xylem and phloem are located on different radii, this is said to be radial arrangement. So radial arrangement, characteristic feature of root. This is the correct statement. Conjoint closed vascular bundle do not possess cambium. When xylem and phloem are located on the same radii, this type of arrangement is known as conjoint. And when cambium is not present between xylem and phloem patches, then it is said to be closed type of vascular bundle. And in open type of vascular bundle, cambium layer is present between xylem and phloem. So this statement is also correct. In open vascular bundle, cambium is present between xylem and phloem. This is also correct statement. The vascular bundles of dicotyledonous stem possess endarged type of protoxylem. This is also correct. Endarged and exarch, two types of arrangement are there. In endarged type of arrangement, protoxylem is located towards the center, whereas in case of exarch type of arrangement, protoxylem is located towards the periphery, and exarch type of arrangement of protoxylem is characteristic feature of root. So this statement is also correct. In monocotyledonous root, usually there are more than 6 xylem bundles present. चूज द करेक्ट आंसर. तो मोनोकॉट रूट में कह रहा है कि मोर देन 6 जाइलम बंडल होते हैं. चूज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट हम लोगों से कह रहा है कि करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट चुनिए. तो ये स्टेटमेंट भी ठीक है. मोनोकॉट रूट में आपको मोर देन 6 जाइलम बंडल मिलते हैं, वेयर एज इन केस ऑफ डाइकॉट 2 to 4 मिलते हैं. तो मोनोकॉट रूट में मोर देन 6 मिलते हैं. ये स्टेटमेंट भी ठीक है. तो ए स्टेटमेंट इज आल्सो करेक्ट, B is also correct, C, D, E all are correct, and none of the options suggesting that all are correct. So A, B, C, D only, A, C, D only, A, B, D only, B, C, D only. इसमें correct option होना चाहिए था all are correct, all of the above, whereas none of the option suggesting that. So in my opinion this question is going to be common or bonus. बोनस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, ये जो बोनस टाइप के क्वेश्चन होते हैं एनटीए की गाइडलाइन कहती है इसके लिए 6 उनके डायरेक्शन हैं, और उसमें से एक डायरेक्शन है कि जब कोई भी ऑप्शन सही स्टेटमेंट मतलब सही नहीं होता, कोई भी ऑप्शन सही आंसर सजेस्ट नहीं करता, तो ये ऐसा क्वेश्चन जो है वो बोनस क्वेश्चन हो जाता है या कॉमन हो जाता है. ठीक है जी. उसमें सभी को स्कोर मिलते हैं. तो इसमें आपको सभी को स्कोर मिलने चाहिए क्योंकि इसका आंसर है ऑल ऑफ द अबव. आई होप इट आंसर द क्वेश्चन. थैंक यू.